If breastfeeding feels uncomfortable or difficult, especially after delivery, then this video might be exact video that you need right now. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process on how to do football breastfeeding position. Many moms struggle with breastfeeding position, especially after C-section or when they need more comfort. And using the wrong breastfeeding position makes breastfeeding more stressful than it should be. Hi Mama, I'm Fatmata, a pediatric nurse and a breastfeeding coach. I help first-time mothers to breastfeed with confidence. In this video, I will show you how to do football breastfeeding position, when to use it, step-by-step process on how to do it correctly, and common mistakes to avoid. To demonstrate this, I need my baby, myself, my chair, my breast, and my pillow to show you step-by-step process on how to achieve this breastfeeding position correctly. First, you need to sit in a upright position and comfortable breastfeeding position. Then bring your baby and hold your baby under your arm like this. Not like this, more front like this, or more backwards like this, just beside you like this. You can use pillow to get extra support by doing this like this. Bring baby to the breast, not breast to the baby. Position your nipple opposite your baby's nose like this. Rub your nipple on your baby's lip and allow the baby to wide her mouth widely like this. Or then put the breast inside your baby's mouth like this. And the baby will grab both the nipple and some part of the areola. Always ensure that your baby's head, neck and body is in straight line like this. You will know if you are doing it right if your baby is well supported, you don't feel pain while breastfeeding, and your baby feels very easier during the breastfeed. Avoid these common mistakes: letting your baby to hang low like this, not supporting your baby's head and neck, twisting your baby like this to breastfeed. This breastfeeding position is specifically for mothers, for moms recovering from CS, mom with large breasts, and mother with twins, and anyone needing more comfort and controlled breastfeeding position. Take your time with this feeding method. Comfort is very important. You deserve to feel relaxed while feeding your baby. If this video really helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it with other mamas so that our video will reach more moms like you. And don't forget to grab your ebook copy on 5 breastfeeding ebook every first time mothers make and how to avoid them.